Hey everyone, want to design fashion like a pro using AI? Here's how to create a stunning AI fashion designs with Leonardo.AI. Let's get started. First, search for Leonardo.AI and log into your account, or you can also sign up for free. Then here in the dashboard, click Image Generation. Then here, you can choose the right model. You can use a style preset or model like creative, graphic design, and more that is perfect for fashion aesthetic. Then here you need to craft a stylish prompt. You need to be specific about your idea and be detailed and create more. Then this is the example prompt. A high fashion runway model wearing futuristic streetwear, bold colors, cyberpunk vibes, editorial lighting, and Vogue style photo. Then you can adjust the settings. You can set image or a portrait ratio, or you can add a clean background if you like. Hit generate and check the result. Wait for the Leonardo AI to process it. Then, once you're happy with the result, you can now save and download it, or you can tweak the prompt and regenerate until it's just right. And your virtual fashion runway is just a click away. Use Leonardo AI to explore trends, design concepts, and even start your own AI fashion line. Follow for more AI design tips. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.